Hey guys, welcome to the fourth video of LCH project. My name is Salman Francis, and in this video we will see some more basic CLI commands. And just want to let you know that today I'll try to make two videos because they're not that lengthy. And so let's start. So first command today I would like to show you is the more command. It's like this more, and what it do is it basically helps you to scroll the file, the bigger files. And let me show you example and then you will understand. So let's say we have one file, a big file. Let's go to its directory. So I'm in this directory, and as you remember that we can check with the pwd command. So basically I am in var log anaconda, and one thing I would like to mention here is that we will see this directory hierarchy in Linux in the upcoming videos, so you don't have to worry about if you don't know what this var log is and what other directories are. I'll tell you, explain you each and every structure. So anyway, so if like right now we are in this file, in this directory anaconda, and I would like to see the log file. So if I see with the cat command, you can see that it's just scrolled so fast that I am not able to view the file again, and I cannot scroll up, or I don't know what passed by me. So what we can do is we can, instead of using the cat command, let me clear the screen. Instead of using the cat command, we can use the more command with this log file. Press enter, and you can see that it's showing me the 10%, and now I am able to see the logs or the file step by step. To go next step or next page or line by line, I can just press enter to go line by line, and to go page by page I can go with the space bar. I can press the space bar and it will show me page by page. Okay, but the problem with the more command is you cannot scroll up. You can try with the up arrow, you can try with the page up. It's not going to help. So what we can do to solve this issue is to use another command which is known as the less command. So you can quit with Q. Press Q, it will quit you. You'll come out of the screen from the more command. And now let's see the less command. We'll use the less command the same way we use the more command. Just type less, and then we will type the same file. Press enter, and as you can see that we are now in this less command, the same file, but now I'm pressing enter, I'm going line by line, pressing space bar, I'm going page wise. But now if I press up arrow, you can see I can scroll up and down. So that's the main purpose of less and more command. Okay, the next command I would like to share is the head command. So I'll press Q to get out of this less command, clear the screen, and head command. What does head command do is it show me the first 10 lines of any file. So let's see head with our same example file, anaconda.log. Press enter, and here you can see the first 10 lines of the log file, anaconda.log. And we can basically change like number of lines, how much lines we would like to view with the head command, but basically it shows the first 10 lines. Then there is another command which shows the last 10 lines, and it's called the tail command. Yes, you heard me right, it's the tail command. And let's clear the screen. You type tail and then the file, press enter, and these are the last 10 lines of anaconda.log. Well, you can check it, and this is what it do. Then another command I would like to share is like how we can get help with the Linux in Linux, especially in CentOS, but most Linuxes will do the same. Let me clear the screen. So I just want to know more about the less command or head command or tail command or any command. What I would like to do is I can type man. Man is short for manual, so I can just type man space, and let's say we need more information by for tail command. Press tail, like type tail, and here you can see that the name is tail and it outputs the last part of the files, and synopsis like tail option and how it works. You can just scroll down, it will give you it will tell you what kind of options you can use with this, and lots of information. The same way you can press Q to quit, and next like man head, and you can see it's showing information about the head command. So you can just scroll down and check all the options. Okay, next command to take help is the help command. So let me clear the screen. Same tail hyphen or dash help. It will give you the help command. This is all the help it can give, but as you see that it scrolled so fast, so what can we do is we can use a pipe sign with less. Now what we can see if we press enter this time, you see it's you can scroll down, you can scroll up. That's the importance of less command. And what I just did is, let me quit. I just use this pipe sign which shows that take the information from the command and output into less. This is just a redirector. It's getting its information from one command and giving an output in another command. So that's what pipe sign do. Okay, so next command to take help is the info command. So for example, I can type the same, let's say less, and info less. So now it's giving me information about less. The same, you can use all the files or all the commands you like. Let's say you want information for the ls command, info ls. This is how it will give information about, like ls stands for list directory content, the ls program list information, and blah blah. So just quit. Then we have a what is command. So let's say what is ls, and it lists directory content. What is less, it's opposite of more, and like what is more, it's file per usual, filter for CRT viewing. So this is like basic information it shows you with this simple what is command. So thank you for watching, and hope you like this video. Please do comment, and also if you like to see some more videos, please let me know. You can always comment. You can even send me email on learning@itpings.com.